Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so did you know that the unactivated TD Bank debit card sitting on your desk right now is essentially a locked vault? Literally, until you take a few specific steps to verify your identity, none of its features and none of your funds are accessible. Today, we're diving into exactly how to securely unlock that vault and get your new TD Bank debit card activated, whether you're down in the US or up in Canada. So, you just got that familiar envelope in the mail. It's an exciting moment. But before you can go swiping at the grocery store or tapping for your morning coffee, you're probably wondering what the absolute fastest, safest way to get it working actually is. And, what happens if you mess up the setup? Well, we're going to cover all of that right now so you can start using your money immediately with total confidence.
And you really don't want to wait. Activating right away is absolutely crucial. It's not just about spending your money, it's about instantly locking in world-class security. The exact second you activate, you engage zero liability protection. You also get to customize your daily spending limits to match your own budget. Plus, a real game changer, you can link the card to your digital wallet to use online or in-store before your physical card even arrives in the mail. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Why card activation matters. 2. Digital methods, like the app and online. 3. Traditional methods, through the phone and ATM. 4. Security tips and pitfalls. And finally, 5. Next steps.
All right, let's jump straight into section 1, why card activation matters. Safeguarding your personal information is a massive priority for TD Bank. This whole activation process, it isn't just some annoying hoop to jump through. It's how the bank confirms the card actually made it to you and wasn't intercepted in the mail. It proves mathematically that you, the rightful owner, have the physical card in your hands. If someone stole your mail, they'd be completely stuck without the extra verification steps we're about to look at. Moving right along to section 2, digital methods, using the app and online portal. Using the official TD mobile app is honestly often the fastest route. First, just download the app straight from your phone's official app store. Next, log in using the exact same credentials you already use, so EasyWeb if you're in Canada, or your standard US online banking login. Then, just tap Card Management and enter your security info. It's incredibly straightforward, super secure, and gets you up and running in just a few minutes right from your couch. Now, if you're more of a desktop or laptop person, the online portal works perfectly. Just visit the official TD website, log in, find Card Management, and type in your 16-digit card number, the 3-digit CVV from the back, the expiration date, and your zip or postal code. If you're brand new to TD, you'll need to enroll first using your social security number or taxpayer ID, account number, and email. Oh, and a quick pro tip, make sure you aren't using a VPN during this setup because it might trigger a security block. Okay, but what if you're not super into digital banking? Let's hit section 3, traditional methods, meaning the phone, ATM, or in-branch. Calling their 24/7 automated line is a breeze. Just dial the specific US or Canadian number, follow the automated voice prompts, and key in your card details and ID number. It literally guides you step by step. But here is a great insider tip. If the machine isn't understanding you, or if you just really want to talk to a real person, you can always press 0 to bypass the robot and connect with a human representative right away. Or if you want to handle this in person, you've got 2 rock-solid options. You can simply hand your government-issued photo ID to a teller inside a local TD branch, and they'll swipe and activate it for you on the spot. Alternatively, just pop your card into any TD ATM, the green machines, enter your PIN, and run a quick balance check or grab some cash. Doing that actually triggers the activation process automatically on the back end. Now, this is a massive detail for our viewers up north. If you're a Canadian TD Canada Trust customer, you absolutely must physically use your chip and PIN first at an ATM or a store's checkout terminal. That physical connection is literally required to sync the card with the network. You have to do this before advanced features like contactless tap or Apple Pay will even work. Once that first physical transaction clears, the whole shebang is fully activated. All right, card is active. Let's talk about section 4, security tips and pitfalls. Here is a major do. Immediately add that new card to your digital wallet for secure encrypted spending. But here is a huge don't. Whatever you do, do not turn off your phone's location services during the app activation. The TD app actually checks your physical location to stop out-of-region fraud. If your phone is in New York but someone is trying to activate it in California, it gets blocked. Also, golden rule. If TD mails you a paper PIN, memorize it and shred it. Never ever carry that piece of paper in your wallet. Once you're set up, you have some seriously powerful defensive tools in your corner. TD alerts give you 24/7 push notifications the exact second a suspicious charge happens. You can also customize your daily spending limits so nobody can drain your account. But my absolute favorite is the instant lock and unlock feature. If your card slips in with the couch cushions, you can freeze it in seconds from your phone and unfreeze it just as fast when you find it. I remember that zero liability protection we mentioned earlier. It is the ultimate safety net. It means you will never be held financially responsible for unauthorized charges on your card. As long as you take basic steps to protect your PIN and report any weird transactions right away, your hard-earned money is completely protected. It gives you total peace of mind. Almost done. Let's wrap up with Section 5, Next Steps. As a quick reminder, always reach out directly to TD Bank for any specific troubleshooting, password issues, or account errors. We love explaining this stuff, but their official reps are the absolute ultimate authority on your personal finances. Make sure to use the verified numbers on the back of your card or use their official app to guarantee you're talking to a real authorized representative. So, I'm curious, are you a fan of the rapid mobile app setup, or do you prefer the classic ATM method where you can grab some cash at the same time? Let us know down in the comments. Getting that card activated securely is just step one to unlocking a world of financial convenience. Which path are you gonna choose? Thanks for joining us for this explainer and enjoy your new card.